Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You can see I'm standing out here in the back pasture, and you can see what we're dealing with here. That heavy snowstorm, ice storm really, has brought down tons of branches of these little trees, and I'm slowly making my way. You can hear my chainsaw idling. I'm slowly making my way down the primary trail so we can get a snowmobile through here and get it tracked. And it's hard work and relatively dangerous work, so I'm taking my time, but it's a mess back here. Well, you can see I'm out here in my chaps carrying my chainsaw out here doing one of the relatively rare but vital farm chores, and that is getting a look at our pasture fence to see how it's fared in this heavy snow. The trail to get here is full of downfalls, trees across the trail, so we can't get back here with a snowmobile until we clear these trees. And so I'm in the process of doing that today. It's a relatively warm day, a good day for chainsaw work, and so let's get to it. So you see, the biggest problem is there's pressure on all these because the branches are broken down under this heavy snow. So they snap when you cut them. So you have to incrementally take them from the bottom and work your way back up so you don't get hurt. And working on snowshoes makes it a lot worse. You can see these branches are longer than they look. They're buried in heavy, wet snow. God, this one's got to weigh 25 pounds. So I'm just trying to get him off the trail so we can get through here without getting slapped in the face on the snowmobile. This will be a lot of rabbit food. So you can see the fence is actually holding up quite well. That insulator anyway is still on. And even though we got 2 feet of snow back here, by and large I see the top 2 strands are exposed. And I don't see any obvious damage. Obviously it'll be a long winter and a lot can happen. But what I see so far is good news. So we planned ahead, even though we didn't know this much snow was coming, and we left these interior gates open, anticipating the potential that snow would render them inoperable. You can see way back there on the north trail, that gate's open too. So this allows us to get through here. First, fence checking with the snowmobile. And secondarily, we like to snowshoe and cross-country ski back here. It's kind of a recreational spot for us when it's not holding cows. So it's just a matter of doing a little chainsawing to open it up.